This video will introduce you to the Hanna HI 9828 multiparameter meter. The waterproof HI 9828 can display up to 12 parameters simultaneously on its backlit graphic LCD. The HI 9828 also features GPS capabilities, field replaceable sensors, and our quick calibration system. Inside the HI 9828's rugged carrying case, you'll notice the accessories neatly stored along with your instrument and probe, including a bottle of our quick calibration solution. To get started using your HI 9828, attach the probe's connector to the bottom of your meter and screw tightly. The multi-sensor probe is less than 2 inches in diameter, enabling it to accommodate 2-inch wells. The flow-through protective sleeve has a stainless steel weighted tip for depth measurements. All sensors are field replaceable, and DO membrane replacement is easy with screw-on membrane caps. Call for availability on our autonomous logging probe with turbidity measurement and ISC sensor compatibility. With autonomous logging, there is no need for the probe to be attached to the meter when logging samples. Sensor replacement is easy, and we'll show you how. Here we have a plastic syringe filled with silicone grease. The included silicone grease needs to be applied to each of the O-rings before inserting it into the sonde. This will assure the integrity of the O-ring and seal. Next, insert the sensor into the sonde by aligning the notches and using the supplied Allen wrench to tighten the sensor's metal ring to create a secure seal. The HI 9828's intuitive menu navigation provides users with easy access to everyday options. Let's take a look at System Setup. Access to the main menu screen, System Setup provides the fundamental options for operation and logging. From here you can set the date and time, which will be recorded alongside each of your measurements. The Power Save feature provides the option of turning your meter off when not in use for a specified time. Logging intervals can be easily set between 1 minute and 3 hours. Sound functions and LCD display contrast can be modified from this screen as well. The HI 9828 can be password protected, and the menu screens are available in English, French, Spanish, Portuguese, and Italian. Now we'll take a look at the measurement setup screen. From this menu, parameters can be turned on or off depending on your specific application. A parameter's resolution can also be chosen here. Calibration is simple with our Quick Calibration feature. From the main menu, choose Calibration, then Quick Calibration. Insert the probe into the Quick Calibration beaker, and the meter will begin to calibrate for pH. When Ready appears on the screen, press Confirm, and the meter will store the calibration data and update GLP data. The meter will automatically begin to calibrate for conductivity. Once again, press Confirm when Ready appears on the screen to store the calibration and GLP data. For dissolved oxygen calibration, remove the probe from the beaker and discard the solution. Shake the probe and reinsert it into the beaker and proceed with calibration as normal. After confirming the DO calibration, the meter will now be calibrated to all sensors. GLP lets you determine when the last time calibration was performed. GLP shows the date, time, slope, and offset for calibration performed on your pH, conductivity, and DO sensor. As you can see here, Quick Calibration was the method, and the date and time clearly shows when this calibration was performed. Performing a custom calibration is easy with the HI9828. From the calibration menu, choose pH to enter the pH calibration mode. We'll perform our first calibration point of pH 7.01 by inserting the probe into the pH 7.01 buffer sachet. When the reading stabilizes, Confirm will appear on the screen. Press Confirm and move the probe into the pH 4.01 buffer solution sachet to begin calibrating the second point. Again, press Confirm when it appears on the screen. Your 2-point calibration is complete and you may begin using your meter. For a 3-point calibration, simply move the probe into a 10.01 pH buffer sachet after confirming the pH 4.01 calibration. The HI9828 has the ability to store up to 60,000 samples in 100 different lots, 48,000 if GPS is enabled. From the measurement mode, press the log key to store enabled readings into the default lot or custom name lot as shown. Remarks may be added to your log data as well as location information from the Fast Tracker Tag ID system or GPS. Continuous logging can also be chosen with logging intervals between 1 second and 3 hours. The HI9828 features a GPS receiver that can track and embed locations with measurement data. You can view measurements along with GPS data using popular GPS mapping software. Our Fast Tracker Tag ID system can be used in tandem with GPS in the event of low GPS signal strength. Fast Tracker Tag ID uses stainless steel eye buttons with unique codes that install right near sampling sites. Measurement, location, time, and date are recorded when the HI9828's tag connector connects with the eye button. The Fast Tracker is a perfect complement to the HI9828's GPS. This video has just scratched the surface of what the HI9828 multiparameter meter has to offer. We encourage you to give us a call to place an order or answer any questions you may have. You can reach us at 800-426-6287 or by using our live support chat on hannainst.com.